Here's a blunt truth. The biggest threat to modern cities isn't earthquakes or floods, it's pollution created by humans. And the only engineers trained to fight this threat at scale are environmental engineers. If you don't understand these fundamentals, you'll never be a complete civil engineer. 1. What environmental engineering really covers. Environmental engineering deals with protecting human health, reducing pollution, and designing systems that keep cities livable. Civil engineers working in this field design wastewater treatment plants, water purification systems, air pollution control units, solid waste management systems, drainage and stormwater networks, sustainable sanitation solutions, environmental impact assessments. This is not a soft subject. It's highly technical and directly affects every person living on the planet. Wastewater engineering, the heart of urban safety. Every drop of water you use becomes wastewater. And if untreated, it spreads disease, pollutes rivers, and destroys ecosystems. Core exam concepts: BOD, biochemical oxygen demand, COD, chemical oxygen demand, primary, secondary, tertiary treatment, activated sludge process, trickling filters, sedimentation, aeration, disinfection. Why it matters. Cities cannot survive without wastewater treatment. Civil engineers literally keep societies healthy by ensuring clean water returns to the environment. 3. Air pollution engineering. Controlling the invisible enemy air pollutants, PM 2.5, SO2, NOCs, COVOCs, silently damage lungs, crops, and climate. Major control techniques: electrostatic precipitators, bag filters, cyclones, scrubbers, catalytic converters. Why students must learn this. Air quality is a global crisis. Every industrial plant, power station, and city expansion requires engineers who can measure, predict, and control air pollutants. 4. Solid waste management. The problem every city struggles with. Cities generate mountains of waste every day. Without proper systems, you get land pollution, groundwater contamination, fires, flooding due to clogged drains, public health emergencies. 5. Why this subject is so important today. Environmental engineering is no longer optional. It's the backbone of sustainable development. Governments need it. Industries need it. Cities depend on it. And climate change has made it even more critical. This subject is also exploding with career paths: water treatment, pollution control, environmental consulting, sustainability planning, climate resilience projects. It's one of the safest and most future-proof fields within civil engineering. That's your sharp introduction to environmental engineering fundamentals: wastewater, air pollution, and solid waste management. Simple concepts, massive impact, and extremely important for your exams, interviews, and real-world engineering. In the next lecture, we'll explore water supply engineering, how cities deliver safe drinking water to millions every single day. Keep watching. You're building the foundation of a cleaner, safer future.